Welcome to the Earth Mudra Meditation. Hand mudras have a long tradition in yoga and are found across many old cultures and lineages. Hand mudras are essentially gestures or seals that we create with various finger positions, and they're helpful to restore balance and harmony in the body by accessing different energy lines, acupressure points, reflexology zones. And today we're going to practice the Earth Mudra in Sanskrit called Prithivi Mudra, as it helps to restore the energy in the base of the spine, the first energy center or root chakra. Let's come into the Earth Mudra gesture. Place the tips of your thumb and the fourth or ring finger of each hand together using light pressure and extend the other fingers. Do this with both hands. Mudras can be practiced sitting, lying down, or standing, but for the Earth Mudra meditation today, I'm going to invite you to come into a comfortable seated position on a chair where you can keep your feet rooted to the earth beneath you. This Earth or Prithivi Mudra is recommended to be done as needed, or perhaps 3 times a day for about 15 minutes. Prithivi or Earth Mudra helps to restore the energy in the root chakra or first energy center, bringing us a feeling of greater vitality, self-confidence, inner stability, security, healthy self-assurance. It also stimulates the body temperature, the sense of smell, and is beneficial for the liver and the stomach. Gently closing the eyes, begin to tune to the breath. The hands can rest palm up across your thighs for comfort, and just notice that you can continue to feel this light pressure between the thumb and the fourth finger of each hand, keeping the other fingers as relaxed as possible. With practice, the suppleness of the hands and the relaxation will increase. Begin to deepen the inhale and the exhale, the soft belly rising and falling. And we're going to add a visualization to this Earth Mudra that will amplify the sense of energy through our body. With the next inhale, imagine that you're absorbing the earth energy up through the soles of your feet, guided up through your legs, into the hips, the belly, the torso, the back body, the shoulders, up into the neck and the head. And then exhaling, sense or see this golden light like a rain of energy returning back to the earth as a renewing force. This is a balance between giving and taking, between receiving and giving back, an ebb and flow. With the inhale, feel yourself absorbing that earth energy up through the soles of your feet, up the legs, into the hips, the abdomen, the torso, the chest, the shoulders, the back, flowing up into the neck and the head. You may wish to pause here at the top of the inhale for a few seconds, and then exhaling like a golden rain, this energy flows back to the earth. Continue this visualization with your own rhythm of breath, feeling this gentle pressure with this Earth Mudra connection between the thumb and the fourth fingertip of each hand. Breathing fully, deeply. The power of the earth gives me security, stability, staying power, and healthy self-confidence. It brings me enthusiasm, pleasure, and joy. Enjoy the benefits of this Prithivi Earth Mudra for a while longer. Whenever you do feel to release it, gently release the fingers, maybe wiggle or shake the fingers in the hands, and just tune inside for a moment and notice the influence in the body, in the mind. May you enjoy the grounding, nourishing, and empowering Earth Mudra. Namaste.